Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to convert your WordPress website into a fully functional Android app. Turning your WordPress website into an Android app can enhance user engagement and provide a better mobile experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to make it happen. Step 1. Prepare your WordPress site. Before you start, ensure your WordPress site is mobile-friendly and optimized. This will make the conversion process smoother and provide a better user experience in the app. Step 2. Choose an app builder. Several platforms make it easy to convert your website into an app. Some popular options include number 1. AppPresser. AppPresser allows you to turn your WordPress site into a mobile app with a focus on integration and customization. Its features. It offers a range of customization options, integrates well with popular WordPress plugins, and provides features like push notifications and offline access. It is best for users looking for extensive integration and customization with a strong focus on user experience. Number 2, MobiLoud. MobiLoud provides a straightforward way to convert WordPress sites into native mobile apps with a focus on content-heavy sites. Its features, it includes features like automatic updates, push notifications, and advanced analytics. It offers a more hands-off approach once set up. Best for websites with a lot of content who want a more automated and less hands-on conversion process. Number 3, AppMySite. AppMySite offers an easy-to-use platform for creating Android and iOS apps from WordPress sites with a focus on user-friendly design. Its features include provides real-time previews, customization options, and supports various features like push notifications and in-app purchases. It is best for users looking for a user-friendly interface and quick app creation process without requiring extensive technical knowledge. Number 4, WP App Kit. WP App Kit is a more developer-focused solution that allows for creating mobile apps with a strong emphasis on custom development. Features include it offers customization through coding, integrates with the WordPress REST API, and allows for extensive control over the app's functionality. It is best for developers who want more control and flexibility in app development and customization. Let's take AppPresser as an example. It integrates seamlessly with WordPress and offers customization options to fit your brand. Step 3. Sign up and create your app. Create an account on your chosen platform. Follow the instructions to link your WordPress site. Most platforms will guide you through this process. Step 4. Customize your app. Customize your app's appearance, including colors, icons, and splash screens. Make sure it aligns with your website's branding. Step 5. Test your app. Before publishing, test your app thoroughly. Check for bugs and ensure that all features work as expected. Step 6. Publish your app. Follow the platform's guidelines to submit your app to the Google Play Store. You'll need to create a developer account and pay a registration fee. Step 7. Monitor and update. Once your app is live, monitor its performance and user feedback. Regular updates will keep your app running smoothly and engaging for users. And that's it. Converting your WordPress website into an Android app is a straightforward process with the right tools. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.